good day! Daily analysis of EURUSD for February 25th.
Yesterday, it was expected that the price would move upward, and it was supposed to collect liquidity on the buy side. But it entered a consolidation.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Phase. And currently, with the start of the Asian session today, the price is moving upward. If buying pressure increases, it could enter another area. BPR?
Or it could enter the order block zone to collect liquidity on the buy side, and after that, move downward. But if the price continues its upward trend
and breaks a key level or a market structure shift,
it could move downward, collect liquidity on the sell side, and target lower levels. This was the analysis of the EURUSD pair on the 1-hour time frame. We can see the price movement, and using the Multi RSI indicator from TradingFinder, it has entered the overbought zone and the high potential area, which indicates the continuation of the bullish trend in the market. However, if the RSI fails to reach the overbought zone and if a divergence or a reversal in the bullish trend is identified, we can use this situation as a confirmation to execute sell trades and enter a position where we can set the stop loss
behind the zone or behind the swing in case a reversal in the trend is detected, aiming for the target accordingly.
Looking towards the sell side,
we can see the trend of the price movement. There was a full-bodied candle as a CP spike candle, which can continue this trend, and eventually, after collecting liquidity, the price may react to the BPR zone. From this section, at the identified level in the bullish trend, and after the break of the CISD level or change of character, we can enter a position. With the analysis of the 15-minute time frame for the EURUSD pair, we can see the price movement during the Asian session. We can see it, which has moved aggressively to the upside. However, if during the London session, liquidity on the buy side is collected and then it re-enters the Asian session, it is anticipated that in the New York session, there could be a downward distribution move. Furthermore, by carefully reviewing the DXY movement personally, we can clearly observe that the index, after experiencing a brief pullback and successfully filling the gap, has now officially entered a downward correction phase. If it continues this current corrective trend and targets significantly lower levels, specifically if the 97.355 support level is broken, then the RSI index can potentially target much lower units as its primary movement objective for the upcoming period, and touch them itself. As a result, with the decline of the DXY index, EURUSD could also increase. However, if the DXY index reacts and stabilizes in its upward channel, EURUSD could also enter a downward phase. Wishing you success and profits.